If you're tired of dragging a giant piece of equipment out every time the dog has an accident or somebody spills a coffee, this cool D100, which is so small and light, you're watching me assemble it here, there's almost nothing to assemble, is absolutely a game changer. Couple key features you want to know about is it has a dual tank system. The wastewater is kept separately from the clean water. It is super easy to either add water or change out the dirty water. A couple other features I wanted to show you in here. First off, let me show you how easy it is to remove the tank. Let me empty it out and I'm going to show you those features. Air filter, which it comes with the replacements, but you can see how much hair and debris this is stopping from getting into the motor and keeping the air fresh. 2, inside the dirty water tank, it has this deodorizing bar which sits inside the water, the dirty water, and this deodorizes and actually kills the bacteria while sitting in the water to make sure that you don't end up with foul smells or disgusting stuff if you don't instantly change the dirty water out. First off, this is obviously all plastic, easy to clean, but look at the debris and stuff, it's captured. Again, if you want to rinse out this, you simply take it, rinse it out, clean it, wash it out, put it back together. Super easy to work with. After you refill the clean water right there, again, clean water completely separate from dirty water. You simply reinstall this, snaps into place, and you're ready to go again. It has a smart mode where it detects what you're cleaning and adjusts its speed and the amount of water that it's using. Actually, really cool, just so you know, you could see it in the video, this will go flat. So you could go underneath your furniture and you'll hear it tell you, detected low clearance mode, adjusting water levels. It is really intuitive and really smart. Additionally, when you are done using it and you are done cleaning, there's a stand to charge it as well as a self-cleaning mode, which will both clean the roller and dry the roller all within the base. Now, I do need to tell you this was provided to me to have this conversation with you, but this thing has been an absolute rock star. I mean, a total game changer, so much nicer. We had one of those other brands where it's a big old unit with the hose and it's heavy and you got to put the water in and pour it out. It's like, oh my gosh, this is so much better. If you want to get this, I have an affiliate link either on the screen or down below. Both work the same way, get you the most current pricing for it. You cannot possibly go wrong with this. This is a game changer you will absolutely adore. The suction's incredible. The way it vacuums and mops all at the same time, incredible. This is an easy winner. If I've added some value here, remember to like the video, follow the channel, put in the comments, what are you using this for? Do you spill coffee? Do you spill wine? Or do you have a little critter in the house that likes to occasionally make a mess? What kind of trouble are you getting in that you think you need this for? Honestly, we all need it for even just the basic cleaning. It's that good. Anyway, I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.